social media marketing agencies are dead. They're useless. No one needs nor should be creating a social media marketing agency anymore. And the reason for this is because it's done. It's had its time. You don't really want to provide social media management services, okay? What you should be doing if you are starting or if you have a social media marketing agency is to reposition that agency as a growth agency. Now, when you were SMMA, you were framing your agency as the service you offer. Now, we know from marketing that we don't talk about the service, we don't talk about the vehicle that gets your clients from A to B, from their current struggling situation to their goal where they're making more money, their life's better, all of this sort of stuff. We don't want to talk about the vehicle, we want to talk about this. We want to sell the destination. When you buy a plane ticket to, let's say, the Caribbean, you don't care about the plane, how many seats it has, the quality of the seats, the engines it runs on. You don't care about all of that, which will get you to the Caribbean. You care about the white sandy beaches, the cocktails, the parties, the chilling out, everything, the culture. You care about the Caribbean, okay? I don't know much about the Caribbean, but I'm guessing it's fucking sick, all right? So don't talk about the plane. Don't frame your agency as if it is the plane ticket. Frame your agency as the Caribbean, the white sandy beaches, the chilling out with your family, the just taking that time to relax and enjoy the beautiful scenery. That's how you want to position your agency, because that's what business owners want. Like, they couldn't give a shit how you got them there. Like, obviously within reason, but whether you're doing social media, like sales funnels, email marketing, anything like this, they just care about the Caribbean, okay? Now focus on this, frame your agency like this. So when you go to someone, you're talking to someone, and they're like, so what is it you do? And, well, I've got a growth agency that helps X customer go to Y position. Like, that's what I do. Sorry, I was bloody doing construction next door. But the three key things that you need to be thinking about, or the many key things with a growth agency, is an ROI-based offer, which means you don't just charge a flat fee for your service. You charge a percentage, like a revenue share for your service, because this service that you have to offer has to get results for your clients. And we talk about results as monetary gains. We talk about as physical cash that you can track, okay? That's so important. Your clients need to know to the penny how much you helped them earn. Because in the past, social media marketing agencies, you can just sort of blag it. You can get by. However, with this new agency model, you have to track everything that you help your clients to earn. Now, this is brilliant, because then you can show your value. Because before, if you were saying, yeah, these services cost £1,000 a month, how do you justify that price? You might have case studies and stuff, but how do you justify that specific price level? Whereas with an ROI-based agency, you can say 20% rev share. That's fine. So when you invoice them, if you help them earn 30,000 a month, and then you get 20% of that, then you're doing very well. You're doing 6K a month off one client. Okay. Think about how easy it would be to get charged 6K a month off the old service where it's just a flat fee. There's no way you could justify that as an agency, especially as a beginner. And the beauty of this model is that it's beginner friendly, because getting your first few clients is so difficult. It's so difficult as an agency owner. However, this eliminates that, because you go to clients and you say, look, I build you this system, which, like, there are a few ways to do it that I talk about in my mentorship. However, you need to know that you can deliver results. And you go to clients and say, hey, I will deliver you results. And the reason for this is that it's no risk for your clients, okay? Either they get the system and it doesn't earn them that much money, or they get the system and it earns them loads of money. Like, they pay nothing. If you say, look, there's no upfront fee, I just take 20% rev share. How are people going to say no? Okay? If you're making sure you're hitting all the key points of, like, creating an irresistible offer, then there's no way people can say no. And that's how you get your first few clients. And from there, you've got your first 3-5 clients. Then you've got case studies, testimonials. So when you go to new ones, you say, hey, it's a 2K upfront fee plus 15, 20% revenue share. And you can get away with that because you have these testimonials. So this new agency offer, this agency frames you in the market as a growth agency, which is much more powerful and it's more beginner friendly. So just go do that. All right. See you soon.